guys, Target had a dumpling. Well, they had like 3 dumplings left, and this is one. And also, I got the peach squeezy squishy. I might take the air out though, because it's like, yeah. But these are the options, and then you can get the glitter, which I like felt them. And this one like seemed the heaviest, so yeah. Okay, I really hope I get purple, because I really want a purple, because like I'm trying to get the rainbow of all of them, okay? So I really want a purple. And it says RMS, so it's real. I am so scared. 3, 2, 1. I got yellow. Ooh, this one's good. The texture, guys. The texture's so good. I got yellow. I love it. Okay, that's it. Bye.